next Siman number 4, proper behavior in the bathroom. Laws of Asher Yatzar blessing. Contains 6 CFM. Sorry. Number 1. Sorry. One should accustom himself to relieve himself both in the evening and in the morning, as this habit is a way of preparedness from the proper hygiene. 1 second. Number 1, literally empty his bowels, right? Meaning, okay, relief. If when he attempts to, he finds it is unable to relieve himself, he should walk 4 amos, as we discussed, even more, and then sit down and try again. So as you were saying another day, right? In this, if this, so it's we learning Halachah book, right? So that's what they say. So you try, so it's not good, like from hygiene and from a health perspective to have all of this bad stuff inside, all of the poison, right, inside of it. Okay, it's spiritually and physically. If this does not help, he should repeat this procedure, stand up and sitting down until he relieves himself. Okay, commentary. Both walking and standing and sitting stimulate the muscles of the large intestines, which helps to move the waste to the outside of the body. Okay. Or he should divert his attention from other things and concentrate exclusively upon relieving himself. Okay, so don't read, don't do whatever people do in the bathroom. So try to concentrate on this. One who holds back his bodily functions, thereby transgress the command of the verse in Vayikra 20:25. Do not make yourself abominable. So it's huge, right? That's what they say. In addition, one who holds himself back from urinating when he feels the need, transgress further transgress the commandment of the verse in Dvarim 7:14. There shall no sterile male among you. So let's see a few commentaries. So first is number 4. One who holds back his bodily functions. Number 4. There is he resists his body's strong urge to urinate or defecate. Sirama Mishnah Brura. Okay. So basically, person has to plan. If you have to travel to work and it's very far away, so you have to go like before. So if you need to get up 15 minutes early, that's what you need to do in the morning. So don't be stupid, right? Or plan to go to the bathroom. Maybe there is on a bus stop, on that stop, subway, whatever. Person has to know his route. Okay. So it says, do not make yourself abominable. Number 5. According to many authorities, this does not mean that this practice is biblically prescribed. It is rather a rabbinic injunction, for which is a verse source in the scripture support. See Mishnah Brura. It is permitted to refrain from relieving oneself temporarily to preserve the human dignity. For example, if one needs to find a private place. So if you need to go to you need to find the place to go to the bathroom. So you cannot go like a dog on the street, right? And one of the very interesting things that we said before, I mean, just in the beginning of this in this commentary, that many things that what Rabbi said, they have support. It's not a proof. It's not a verse. It's like support for whatever they say in the scripture. So it's not biblical. It's rabbinical with the support of. That's how they got it. And number 6, there shall be no sterile male among you, meaning if he holds number 1. This verse teaches that one is forbidden to do anything that may cause sterility, inability to father children, and this is one of the big things, right? One who retains urine when he feels the need to relieve himself places himself in danger of becoming sterile. So basically, as soon as you want, and so as I told my wife, she moved from another state, right? So I said in New York we go in a bathroom not when you want it, but when there is a bathroom.
Right.
So you see the bathroom, then you must go. Try, right? So that's maybe in other states.
Your wife moved from another state, and
yes, she's from New Jersey.
West, well, yeah, it's not like here.
No, it's totally different.
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, when you said another state, I was thinking like somewhere in like the West, like Montana or something like that.
No, but still, I mean, for people in New Jersey, it's a different
not like
life.
Brooklyn and New York.
Yeah, it's nothing.
I'm from Staten Island. Staten Island's like Jersey, too. So.